What's up, you guys? Thank you for coming to watch this short video today. This wig I have is called Amira by Outre. It has a good 5-inch eye part, which I love on this because it looks so natural. Don't mind me. So I wanted to show you what this wig looks like on and how I styled it, since I get a lot of questions about my hair and where I get it from. I'm struggling with securing in this back comb. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to secure the 2 side combs. It has Swiss lace around the perimeter, which I cut off before putting the wig on. It does have adjustable straps, which I set to my liking. Anything else you may want to know about this wig, the link is in the description box for you to check it out. So I pushed the wig back just a little so it's behind my hairline, and now I'm going to brush my edges out. I'm using my edges brush to do this, which I just purchased for laying down edges. This wig comes with baby hairs, but they're really thick, so I won't be using them. You can, but I decided to not worry about baby hairs with this wig because it doesn't need a whole lot of work done. Now in with my foundation slash concealer for the part. This is Black Opal Total Coverage Concealing Foundation in the color Hazelnut, I believe. I just love this stuff, especially for skin. Okay, so here's Amira pretty much straight out of the package with no plucking whatsoever or late baby hair. Just a little foundation on the part is all, and I prefer finger combing my synthetic units. I feel that combing or brushing just takes the life out of the hair. With a wave like this, you just don't need to do it. So my lip gloss was really bothering me. If you're curious, I'm just putting on some Beauty Supply lip gloss and a few droplets of Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in the color Dolce K and spreading it back in with the lip gloss. Okay, now back to the tutorial. I'm going to show you the back of the hair. This is a blunt cut bob style and I love it. This hair is just so effortless and lightweight. It's already styled without really having to style it. I'd say this is a good transition into fall hairstyle. We're going to do a side part with this hair. I was feeling Kylie Jenner's natural hair look in the interview with Travis Scott. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here's the picture right here. It is uneven, so to combat that without doing any trimming, I just tucked the front piece behind my ear, and here is the end result. Comment below to tell me what you think. Please like this video and subscribe to see more of me in the near future, because I got a lot more content in the works coming for you. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.